Ladies and gentlemen, this is your boy Defi again, and I would like to welcome you to my channel. You guys are doing an incredible job. I would like to just thank you for doing that. So in today's video, I want to look at how to register an account in Ethereum Capital, or which was formerly known as Ethereum Gold, using a Trust wallet. As you can know, in this smart contract, the best wallets to use are MetaMask wallet for those who are using PC, and the Trust wallet for those who are using Android phones. So this is my Android phone, and these are my apps. This is my Trust wallet here, the blue shield with the white background. So I click on it, it opens like that. It's requesting for authentication. I use a fingerprint, so I'm in right now. So I'm going to use this account. Actually, I'm not going to fund an account because I already have an account and I use MetaMask. I'm going to use this account just for illustration purposes. So there are no funds in it, as I don't intend to create another account. So now what we do, first of all, you have to get your link from your sponsor. I copied my link. In a notepad. It is here. You copy it. Make sure you copy the whole of it. And I come in my Trust wallet. And there are some blue boxes. No, they are not blue. There are boxes at the bottom of the page. As you can see them here, they are 4. You tap on them. When you tap on them, it brings the search or enter website URL up there. So you tap inside it and you paste your URL there, your referral link from your sponsor, and then you enter. So it tries to open. It is open. So as it is opening, guys, let me explain briefly about this. Remember, to get into the business, you always pay 20% to enter into Ethereum Capital. That is, it is like the cost of entering the business. And that cost of entering the business is shared amongst all the members in the business. For example, from the 20%, the contract releases 10% of to all the people that are currently in the program. And when you leave, it releases the other 10%. It is the other 10% to all the people that remain into the contract. So that's how the 20% is spent. So there are no other costs like costs incurred except for the gas fee when you are depositing into the contract. So as you can see there, people are buying Ethereum credits. That one spent $37 and he was given 3.85 Ethereum credits. So let us go back to our video again. So here you select your language, you select your currency and language. There are very many languages. You select any that you want. And your referral link will appear here. Once you've funded your account, you can't have a referral link before funding your account. That is the total client's capital in the business. It is over 10 million US dollars. And this account has got 0 Ethereum credits because we are just opening it. So your dividend earnings will appear here. Your referral earnings, if at all you decide to refer members, they will appear here. If you don't want to refer a member, just leave it. You'll earn passively from the investment that you've made. So to join the business, there is here buy Ethereum credits. That's when you're buying, and in this case we are going to buy because we are new in the business. So you go to buy Ethereum credits here, but you have to first put in the amount of Ethereum that you want to join with. I'm going to put in an example of 1 Ethereum. but you can put in any amount that you want. There's no limit or minimum of how much to join here. So if I put in 1 here, remember each Ethereum credit is worth $9.62, as you can see it there. So if I press buy Ethereum credit, it will redirect me to my account where I'll be able to spend funds into the smart contract. That is what we are looking at. So as you can see, the funds are coming from this account. This is my account from, and the network fees, it is charging $47. That is way too much. That is way too much. The gas fee is too high, and would like to recommend always that when the gas fee is too high, you can always come back after some time and buy when the gas fees are low. The cause of high gas fees is due to the congestion on the blockchain. When there are very many people using the blockchain, the gas fees will hike, and when there are very few people using the blockchain, the gas fees are always down. Or you can always edit them here, but I don't recommend that. I always recommend you to follow what the system tells you. If we are to go back again here and try to spend the 1 ETH, as you can see here, it says that you will get approximately 38 Ethereum credits from the 1 ETH. We might find that the gas fee has changed. Let us see here. Now it has increased, as you can see, meaning that very many people are on the blockchain right now. So you can always come back and buy when the gas fees are low. That is what I do. There's no need of rushing into getting to the program, as it is not going anywhere. It has been online since April 2018, and it is still getting stronger. So if you have money on your account, down here they are telling you that I have insufficient ETH balance. If there is money on the account, this button here will be blue. You can just press on it. The funds will be transferred from your ETH wallet into the smart contract. So that's how we open up an account, guys. And you can always follow the tutorials. I'm going to put some in the description of this video, and also the detailed explanation of the Ethereum Capital. See you guys in another video.